Is your weighbridge really protected? Introducing Earthing Monitoring Model for Power and Lightning Protection. High voltage protection, neutral failure, double phasing and phase return, short circuit and overload, surge and power jerks. Technical highlights. Rated current, 6A. Poles, 2, ISI MCB. German technology, braking capacity, 10 kA. IP20, DIN rail, screw mount. Response time, 0.01 second. The heart of weighbridge protection. Delivering accurate, fast, and fraud-proof weighing solutions with advanced digital technologies. Stay tuned with Kanta King for innovative weighing products and smart solutions. Call us on 95609 15555.